Winter is just around the corner, and for many of us, that means freezing temperatures are on the way. While snow days can be fun, a deep freeze can wreak havoc on your home if you're not prepared. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to prepare your home for a freeze so you can keep your family safe and avoid costly repairs. Step 1. Insulate pipes and tanks. The first thing you'll want to do is insulate your pipes and water tanks. When temperatures drop, the water in your pipes can freeze and expand, causing pipes to burst. This can lead to flooding and expensive damage. Wrapping your pipes with foam insulation or heat tape, especially those in unheated areas like basements, attics, and garages, can prevent this disaster. Don't forget your water heater tank. An insulation blanket can make a big difference in retaining heat. Step 2. Service your heating. Next, make sure your heating system is in top shape. A properly functioning furnace or heating system is crucial during a freeze. Have it serviced before the winter kicks in to ensure it's running efficiently. Change the filters and test the thermostat to make sure everything's working smoothly. If you have a fireplace or wood stove, now is also a good time to clean the chimney and ensure there are no blockages. Step 3. Stock up on supplies. Another key step in preparing for a freeze is to stock up on essential supplies. If temperatures drop drastically, you may find yourself stuck at home for a few days or even without power. Keep plenty of blankets, non-perishable food, and bottled water on hand. Don't forget about pet supplies, too. In extreme cases, you'll need enough food and water for at least 3 days. Having a supply of rock salt or sand for icy walkways can also prevent accidents. Step 4. Run your faucets. Here's a simple but effective tip: let your faucets drip during extreme cold. Running even a small amount of water helps relieve pressure in your pipes and prevents them from freezing. This works because moving water takes longer to freeze than standing water. Make sure to open cabinets under sinks to let warm air circulate around pipes, especially on exterior walls. Step 5. Check your insurance policy. It's easy to overlook your insurance policy when prepping for winter, but it's vital. Make sure your homeowner's insurance covers damage from frozen pipes and other winter-related problems. This way, if your pipes do burst or you experience damage from ice or snow, you won't be left with hefty repair bills. It's better to know you're covered before disaster strikes. Step 6. Invest in a portable generator. Power outages are common during a freeze, especially when ice and snow accumulate on power lines. Investing in a portable generator can keep your essential appliances running, such as heaters, refrigerators, and lights, until power is restored. Make sure to place the generator outside in a well-ventilated area to avoid carbon monoxide buildup inside your home. Step 7. Check your home insulation. Lastly, inspect your home's insulation. Proper insulation helps keep your home warm during a freeze and reduces your energy bills. Focus on your attic, walls, and floors, and look for any gaps or drafts where cold air could enter. Sealing cracks around windows and doors with weather stripping or caulking is another simple fix that can make a big difference. Also, check your windows. Using heavy curtains or adding window insulation film can keep the cold out. Preparing your home for a freeze might seem like a lot of work, but these simple steps can protect your home from freezing temperatures and ensure your family stays safe and comfortable. Insulate your pipes, service your heating system, stock up on supplies, let your faucets drip, and invest in a portable generator. These are just some of the ways to be ready for whatever winter throws your way. By being proactive now, you can relax and enjoy the winter season without worrying about the damage a freeze could cause. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home maintenance tips. Stay warm, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.